Hello, so this is a resubmission of Enhancement 4. The main part that I'm just going to be showing here is in the previous video I did, one of the problems I had was I was showing the message on the login and register form that there was an error that they had to fill in, they require spaces. I fixed that in the switch case statement, so now as you can see, it doesn't appear here. But if I were to put in just like whatever there and do like no validate and then submit it, then the error will pop up because it'll send it to another page. That's the same thing with the registration form here. As you can see, no message is there, but then if I do the no validate and register, then the message appears. So I just fixed that little thing, so then that way that bug is out. So hopefully that makes sense, and that's what you're looking for the first time, if I understand your comments right. But I hope you have a good rest of your day.